Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the layer of your custom makeup on Dress to Impress. So go to the last one. For example, you want this eyeshadow to be above this one. You're just going to grab it and you're going to drag the position here, and it's going to move the eyeshadow, as you can see. I'll do it with something more visible. For instance, this one. I want it to be behind this eyeshadow, so I'm just going to move the layer to the left side, and that's how you can move the layers in custom makeup. Obviously, it's only going to work for the last layer, and you'll only have until 6 layers to kind of mess around with. For instance, like the nose, I am going to add this nose on top. But I want the nose to be underneath the other nose, so I'm just going to switch it. It doesn't really show that big of a difference actually. I think I need some other type of nose, maybe this one. Okay, that's like the same thing though. About like this. Okay, so I want this nose to be more seen. I'm just going to drag it and move it on top instead. It's not like the biggest difference. Maybe if you do it like between like the skinniest nose ever, you can see a difference. Okay, like this one maybe. Whoops. You'll see the difference there. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!